What's going on, guys? So for this week, I worked a lot more on my character creator, and thank you to Arthur and Dungeon Ward for your comments last week. I added a lock feature for the randomization, as well as some facial hair and the ability to add decals such as like tattoos or scars. So let me just go through this here. I had this already last week, but you can change the skin color. But now what happens when you click on the buttons, they actually zoom into whatever. So I'm clicking hairstyle and it zooms into the area where the hairstyle is going to be, which is pretty cool. So I also changed up the sliders and arrows location a little bit. And now it only displays one slider if there's only one hair length and two sliders if there's two different hair lengths. Like this example has two. This has one. And it hides all other UI. So there's no more sliders over here. So whatever you're using at that time, it's going to show. I also made it so you could rotate and hold the button down. So happy with that. Random hairstyles. So that's the hairstyles. Facial hair. This I need to work on more, but I just want to get the functionality down. So the first one here, I just have a bit of a goatee. You could change the color of it. And let's say you want to make it like that. And it actually changes if you change the nose width. It actually, the nose height. It changes with the blend shape of the height of the beard. This is my favorite one here. So you could have the mustache super thick, and then it curls if you make it wide enough. Decal. This is my other favorite part here. So right now I have a decal of blush on, and you could change the color. Well, not color, but how prominent you want it to be, or how the value of it. So you could see here you want a deep scar. It changes the fade of it, let's say, the alpha. So let's say you want, and you could use these arrows to move it along the face, which I think is pretty awesome. It's basically offsetting the texture. And you could put whatever you want. And I put like little freckles and stuff like that as well. You could have little birthmarks. And I also put some random sprites I made. And I just turned them into tattoos. You could have a cow. You could have a heart. So this is like endless possibilities. It's so quick to make different sprites and then just add them. So really cool with that. Let me stick with the first scar here. Along the eye. Right there. The eyes are still the same. You could change anything you want with that. Shirt. You could change the length of it as well as the color. It could be whatever you want it to be. Pants, same thing. And now with the lock feature, let's say I want to only randomize the pants. So I lock everything else. And then this randomizes all unlocked colors. So it's going to just unlock the pants. If you want to do the shirt, you could do that too. If you want to just do the shirt. And you could actually do everything if you unlock everything. And even if it's locked, you could change the individual ones, so you don't have to keep unlocking and locking every time. So I think that's a pretty cool feature. And then down here we have randomizes all unlocked blend shapes. So let's say if you want to keep the nose height, nose width the same, and then randomize everything else. It randomizes everything about the face. Let's see the mohawk. Put that back. So you want the mustache, you want the mohawk. Let's say you want a bright blue mohawk. Not too bright. Let's see. Let's randomize everything else. But this is really awesome because it really opens up tons of different possibilities for the player when they make their character, and you could even zoom out when you do the blend shapes. And then you can type in your name, click confirm, and then it will bring you to the game. So really happy with the progress I've made here and the different variations you can make with your character. Once you play the game, you'll be able to get, you know, helmets, hats, things like that, more accessories for your character. But to start, you should just have a plain shirt and pants. And then you'll be able to get different hairstyles and facial hairstyles and decals and stuff as you play the game. So that's it for this week. I'll continue to add stuff in the coming months to this creator, so there's more possibilities. But for now, I'm going to be focusing on the level design for next week and see how that goes. Just a basic level design, nothing crazy, but I want to have all the basic features available in that one scene of the village. So that's it. If you have any questions or comments, suggestions, let me know in the comments below. And really cool to see this from where I started to where it is now. Just really cool. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.